In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ElevenLabs Reader app free. By the end, you'll know how to sign in, add your text in a few different ways, choose from a range of AI voices and languages, and start listening right away. First, open the ElevenLabs Reader app. Once it loads, you'll see the sign-in screen. Enter your email and password to access your account. Make sure you're using a secure connection and keep your login details private. When you're ready, tap Log In. After a moment, you'll land on the main reading screen. From here, you have several options to bring text into the app. The quickest is to write directly in the text box. This is perfect for notes, short articles, or any content you want to hear out loud immediately. Paste or type your text and double-check spacing and punctuation for the best reading flow. If your content is already in a document, choose the option to upload a file. This is handy for reports, handouts, or longer reading materials. Let the app process the file, then preview the text it extracts. If anything looks off, you can edit it right in the app before listening. You can also scan text, grant camera permission if prompted, then hold your device steady over the page in good lighting. Align the text within the frame and capture. The app will convert the image to editable text. Review the result for any typos or line breaks and make quick fixes so the narration sounds natural. Another convenient route is to paste a web link. Copy a public link to an article or page, paste it into the field, and let the app fetch the text. Some pages include side elements like menus or captions. Skim the preview and remove anything you don't want read aloud. Once your content is ready, select from the available AI voices and languages. The app supports over 32 languages, so you can match the voice to your text language and style. Try a few voices to find the tone and clarity you like. Some are more conversational, others more neutral. If your text mixes languages, choose a voice that handles pronunciation well for those sections. When everything looks good, tap the play button to start listening. You can pause whenever you need and resume from where you left off. For the clearest experience, use headphones and keep your screen awake if you plan to make quick edits while listening. That's it. Open the app, log in, add your text by typing, uploading, scanning, or pasting a link, pick a voice and language, and press play. Enjoy hands-free reading with ElevenLabs Reader. Is suvici a